I can stop anytime. Hi everyone, I'm Ivan and I'm the first Gasparini customer and fan. And the big guy here, he is among the most requested Gasparini miniatures. But let's take a look into the past. So I will tell you who brought me here today with this masterpiece. Miniatures. These tiny statues have been my passion since I was a kid. At that time, the daily and lonely matter was to discuss with my best friend Fabio. The question was to decide which one to buy with the little pocket money we had. And then we started painting them and testing our first matches on the table. Later, with our complete teams, we finally played our first fantasy football match. Over time, my friend Fabio began to collect the miniatures. Smaller models, bigger ones, from known and unknown producers, those still existing or passionately searching for the ones out of production. They started to fill in his whole house and swallowed up most of his free time. This was not the desire to own the biggest or the strongest army. It was nothing but simply because they are wonderful and created by true artists. Years passed and Fabio thought, what if I try to realize by myself the miniatures of my dreams? Miniatures even cooler than the store ones? And even if Fabio likes to think that he can stop anytime, he realized that this was not a simple hobby anymore. This passion evolved into something new. He started sending letters, chatting in search of people with his same passion, artists with the gift of materializing ideas and dreams. He was searching for people that would be able to take his fantasies and give them form. And then they began to craft high-quality machines, silicone molds, flows of molten metal, all these to give life to the Gasparini miniatures with perfect details. It took years and patience, study and experience, but now he can say with a touch of pride that Gasparini has reached an excellent quality standard. With this webpage, we offer to everyone who appreciates and collects Gasparini artwork the possibility to have their dreams come true. Today, you just need to contact Gasparini and a group of expert art designers and sculptors will give form to your ideas. Gasparini creates miniatures for fantasy football, but also for other game systems with figures and accessories to make your game experience unique. Playgrounds, custom dice and tokens, range rulers, and personalized gadgets for events and tournaments. Of course, it also cooperates with independent game developers to create their components. And now, start dreaming with Gasparini.